channel. You're tuned into Living Modestly Naturally DIYs. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, 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 welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for the support. I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. In this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be making some carpet freshener. I got a new scent for you all that I would love for you to try. This scent, I'm telling you, it's been a lot of trial and error, but guess what? I got the scent down packed now. I'm going to have you having your carpet smelling beautiful if you try this. Your carpet is going to thank me, okay? You're going to thank me and your carpet is going to thank me. So you ready? Are you ready? We're going to get started with the mixing. Right. So, to get started, of course, you need your baking soda. You could choose any kind of baking soda you like. This baking soda that I got is from the brand Arm & Hammer. So that's what I'll be using for my carpet freshener. And I put 2 cups worth in this mason jar. For the purpose of this video, I didn't want to be having all the measurements, spoons, and everything out to do it. So it's 2 cups, okay, of this. And then you need your collection of fragrances. So, and I have the collection here. And as we go along in the video, I'll do step by step of the amounts. So for the finishing product, when you're ready to use your carpet freshener, this is what I use. I use like a was it salt and pepper shaker or whatever you want to call this. It's what I use when I want to sprinkle some on the carpet. So, all right, without further ado, let's get started. And also, I have my information written down. So, of course, whenever you see my little notebook, that means I got all my information here so I can see. All right. So in this jar, we're going to start with the base. Okay? So, it's base, middle, top. For the base notes, I'm going to be using 35 drops of Cherry Blossom. Cherry Blossom scent has a very, can I describe the scent? It's a scent, it makes a statement, but it doesn't do too much, but it makes a statement. So I'm pouring 35 drops. So let's go. Give me a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. Ah, man. It comes out really slowly. So 35 drops of the Cherry Blossom. The Cherry Blossom pairs well with the Jasmine, which is up next. The Jasmine now, the scent I find is a little bit stronger than the Cherry Blossom, which is why I'm going to use the Jasmine, but I'm going to use less drops. So it's going to be 25 drops of the Jasmine. And the Jasmine pairs so well with the Cherry Blossom, which I find. That's why I put them together as the base note. So 25 drops. Here we go. See if this is going. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And notice with this mixture, I'm not using a carrier oil. Why? Because the baking soda itself is gonna help carry the essential oils. And also too, I'm not using this on the skin. So you can easily pour your essential oils as is in things like this, like baking sodas and stuff like that, and other things that carry its own weight. Like you don't have to do a carrier oil because it's not going on the skin, okay? Just to clarify that. So 25 drops of jasmine. Next, we're going to do our middle notes. Now, for the middle notes, I have lavender and, excuse my son in the background, and rose, okay? So, it's going to be 25 drops of rose. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll give it a little shake, right? 5, 6, 7, okay, getting out a little faster. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. So, of rose. Then rose and lavender, and those two together it's just a perfect harmony. I love it. Yeah. And so I'm going to put 20 drops of lavender. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, a little bit more came out. And this is from the brand Rocky Mountain Oils. So I don't know if you all watched my other video where I made an announcement about being an affiliate for Rocky Mountain Oils. So if you want lavender or any of the I have another oil featured from Rocky Mountain. You can check my description box below to make your purchase. And when you make your purchase, because I'm an affiliate, I get a percentage. So if you want to help support your girl, yeah, you can make a purchase and I help you, you help me, right? Yeah. So 20 drops of lavender. Okay. So we covered the base notes and we covered the middle notes. Now we're going to go to the top note. So the top notes I'm going to use is peppermint. Peppermint. Now, with peppermint, with this concoction, I realized that I couldn't go overboard. I have to just use a little bit. Just a little drop, and then it will go a long way with this whole thing and pull everything together. So, yeah. Because peppermint, man, it makes a statement. It's stepping like I'm here. Y'all better watch out. So I gotta be careful with this because it will override the whole entire thing. So it's 5 drops of peppermint. That's what I'll be adding to this. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Oh, peppermint. Come from around it. That's it. Done. Because it's strong. And then last but not least, from the brand Rocky Mountain Oils, I have organic lemon. Lemon, this fragrance here, it smells so nice. Like, it's so light. If you just want to use this by itself, it's perfect. It has the perfect lemon scent. It's not doing too much. It's just like, it's like if it was walking into a room, it would just glide so effortlessly where you wouldn't even notice. It's there, but then it's like, it just coming so quietly. Yeah, so this is going to be 15 drops of the lemon, just because of the scent is so nice, and I really want that to shine through before it just dissipates, because it is a top note. So So I'm using it for. So 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. So that's it. So there we have it. So I put it in a jar. And next what you want to do, I have a glass stirrer here. And I'm going to mix it really well. So let's get going. Gotta mix this thing really well. I'm going to get it all in there. Making sure this thing is mixed up nicely. And not only that, but I'm going to shake it up too. So you want to tune in and watch what I do. So stay a little longer with me and watch me shake it up to make sure this whole thing goes in. Oh my gosh. How you all doing? By the time you see this video, it's already past, you know, the time for Father's Day. But I want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there who's doing their thing, raising their children, taking care of their families, doing what they're supposed to do. So happy Father's Day. You know, although it's a little late, but still, you know. And so I'm mixing it up. Let me get a whiff of this because this is, gosh, this smells so good. Ladies and gents, here we have it. It's right here. The Carpet Freshener, the best. The best Carpet Freshener. Nah, this is for real. Nah, this is for real. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit more. And this is an airtight container. So, yeah. This is going to help to preserve. You keep it in the airtight container. It's going to help to really keep the fragrance, everything locked in. Yeah. And make sure you label. So people don't think, so people in your house don't think this is flour and dig in it and add it to their food and everything. This is Carpet Freshener. Shaking it up. 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 Yeah. You have to excuse me. You have to excuse me because I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with the camera. That's why now when you see me acting a little, this is me. It is really me, but it's just that I'm a little bit more comfortable. Because if you see my other videos in the past, I was a little awkward because I was genuinely nervous to be in front of the camera. But now I'm getting comfortable with it. So please excuse my, you know, my personality. If it's a little bit, looking a little bit funny because it's like, if you see me in the other videos, like, how come she's a little more calmer and now she's like this? I'm definitely getting more used to the camera, so that's why. So, yeah, just to let you know, just need a little information, just a little information. All right, so now let me smell it again. I gotta smell this goodness again because this is the most beautiful thing. Okay, alright, so there you have it. Carpet freshener. You can make your own. You ain't gotta go to the store and just buy whatever they got. You could just whip up your own stuff. And all of these oils that I have here will be in the link in the description box. There'll be links for each and every one of them in the description box below, so you can check it out. And also all of them, okay? Every last one of them. And yeah, so that's enough for now. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment down below, share your thoughts, suggestions, or what have you. Stay tuned for more DIYs coming your way. I have a room and linen spray video coming soon after this one. But give me some time. You know, I will post that. You know, I want to take my time to post, you know, things for y'all that I'm testing out, that I'm making sure that whatever I put out is going to be good. And so, yeah. So, thank you once again. And I'll see you all in my next video. And remember, Livingmodestly, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So, I'll see you in my next video. Later.